BigBear.ai stock appears to be hitting the markets today with a lot of power. We are seeing the stock up by 1.17% at the time of filming, and this comes from a recovery where we're seeing the stock ultimately up by 6% today, because it does appear that we had a gap down into the morning session. I think this is a very powerful thing to acknowledge, and I think this shows a lot of strength here for this stock. Most crucially, we're breaking past key levels of resistance in the last couple of days, and now we're thoroughly into the $6 range. There's a lot to speak about here, and I think we've got a lot to mention. And over the course of this video, I'll be giving you all of my thoughts and opinions on what we are seeing. If it sounds like a good episode, as always, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Please remember though, I am not a financial advisor, and this video is not financial advice. I'd also like to say I have a Patreon page. Link is in the first pinned comment down below. There you can gain more resources, such as information based on the stocks that I am paying the most attention to at the moment. A lot of stuff that I don't mention here on YouTube. So yeah, jumping straight in, what stands out to me? Well, a few things initially stand out. Like I say, a lot of momentum here today. I think this shows a lot of strength. We're seeing indicators like the RSI here on the past couple of months really coming into the oversold range. And even despite the major gains that we're seeing both today and in the past couple of days, we're still definitely below the middle. We're still below the neutral point. We're still more towards oversold right now than we are towards overbought, which does indeed make this a very interesting play right now. Now you see the stock coming up to historical levels of resistance such as 410. 610, I should say 410, right? 610. 610 is going to be a very critical one going forwards into the rest of today. Now, if we continue up with this momentum, there's every possibility that we could smash through that by the end of today. Pushing 610 would then push us on to 630, where we have seen similar levels of resistance, and then you're looking for a push which could take us up to $7 or 670s, right? Which in and of itself would be great. I'm very much paying attention to these levels today. Now going down, we really don't want to see this one close red. It's that basic. We don't want to see this stock close red, so any green action would be perfect. What would also be great is even if we do turn down a little bit, we want to stay above historical levels for today. Levels that we opened up at, levels like 560, 562, staying above those would be absolutely critical in my opinion. Again, that has been a historical level of support as well, so you could also be seeing 582 as another level to pay attention to if we do drop. What do I think though? I think BigBear.ai stock has been declining for long enough in my opinion. I think there is a possibility now that we could be seeing this turnaround coming, and I think this is a very interesting point, right? I think this could be a very, very interesting turning point for the stock going forwards into the next few days. So it's very exciting. Like I say, I think there is a lot of potential here, and I think this is one which really is on my radar now. Again, indicators still looking towards the oversold range, yet we're seeing a lot of strength coming back into the stock. If we can break past these historical levels of resistance, as you can see, 611, 610 here and here in the past, you could be on for a push which should take us into the high sevens, maybe even higher than that. Time will tell, guys. I'm going to be keeping you updated on what does actually play out. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it. I'm going to share with you though some more information on the Patreon and resources before we do end the video. Other than that, thank you so much for your time. See you soon. If you guys are ready to get serious about trading for less than the price of a coffee every day, I've got to tell you about the new Patreon page that I have just launched. That's right guys, I have a new Patreon. I'm going to be sharing everything on here, from my personal stocks that I am watching to pre-market updates, as well as a Discord group which I have started. It's going to allow you to access similar-minded, like-minded people who are also interested in sharing their knowledge about the markets. I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff over here guys. There's going to be a lot of exclusive content coming in the next couple of weeks, but do bear in mind, for most of the tiers, spots are limited. The Market Scout, where you'll gain access to the Discord, prices will change after 150 members. At the moment guys, I'm limited for time, so the Trader's Edge course and above, we're limiting the courses even lower, right? There's a limited amount of people who can join. At the same time, depending on the level of mentorship that you want, we have prices going all the way up from 1450 to the highest tiers over here that you can see. Again, if you're looking to take your journey to that next level, on these middle tiers, this is personally the one that I would recommend, even though it's not the most expensive. It costs less than a coffee every single day, and the amount of information that you'll get here, in my personal opinion, is absolutely worth the value. At the very least, guys, you can become a member for free. The link is down in the description, the comment section, and the bio. Just give it a look and see what you think. And of course, feel free to sign up if you're looking to take your journey even further. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video.